You're about to be known worldwide, and this video found you for a reason. You're here to help a big collective of souls. And if that makes you feel excited, butterflies, chills, or just resonates, then this is your confirmation. This is your sign to keep watching. If you don't step into this role, you will stay invisible, suppress your gifts, and miss out of the abundance that is your birthright. So if you're ready for a life of freedom, impact, abundance, and purpose, let's get into it. I'm a purpose coach and I've guided thousands of people towards a life of freedom and purpose, but I used to doubt myself so much. I thought I wasn't good enough, so I waited so long to get started with my dream of being an online business owner and sharing my passion, my wisdom with the world. I just thought the market is so saturated already, who would listen to me? But eventually I stopped hiding and I started posting content consistently, even when there were crickets and only my mom liking my video. And that's when everything shifted. I realized that the biggest obstacle is that people are scared of judgment, obsessed with metrics, and stuck in perfection. And this keeps them playing small instead of fulfilling their soul mission. So here are 3 things that you need to know so that you will be famous worldwide and impact lots of lives. Point number 1 is don't be scared of haters. Haters literally mean you're making an impact. If you don't ever get hate, it means your content is bland and you are not being yourself. Just look at Jesus, right? He literally got crucified. People who are not in their power hate when others shine. So when you get a hate comment, literally celebrate it, unless you feel like there's some truth to it, of course. But if you can tell it's somebody trolling and jealous, then see it as confirmation that you are on the right track. Let's affirm it in the comments. I'm shining my light fearlessly. The second thing you need to know is to not focus on metrics. Social media views, likes, how fast your account grows. This all will fluctuate. So you want to focus on posting consistently instead of on metrics. Consistency builds trust and reach because the algorithm rewards consistency. My YouTube growth and my social media growth wasn't from one viral video. It happened when I started to post consistently. And this applies whether your purpose is being a social media content creator or something else. No matter what you want to achieve, being consistent is so important. Consistency compounds. It's the main factor in long-term success. So no matter what your goal is, put it in your calendar. Set a repeating schedule and stick to it. For example, if you want to be a content creator, put it in your calendar as a repeating event. For example, Mondays you film videos. And if you feel unclear about what to post and how to actually get views so you can quit your job and be your own boss, then book a free clarity call, link in the description. The third point is that you need to stop waiting to be ready. You have soul contracts with the people you are meant to help. So playing small not only blocks your abundance, but you can even see it as selfish. You're an old soul with so much wisdom and you're meant to activate people. As I mentioned before, I waited so many years to start my YouTube channel. I was waiting for the perfect moment, but eventually I decided to just start anyway, because I realized the moment will never be perfect. There will always be shit going on in our lives. But if you don't start now, you're gonna regret it later down the road and wish, dang, I wish I had started back then. So I urge you to take a tiny step towards your purpose today. And if you're not sure what your purpose is, then download my free guide on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps, link in the description. The world needs you. Every time you second guess yourself, someone out there is waiting a little longer for the message only you can deliver. So stop hiding behind perfection. Stop waiting for the right moment, because the right moment is now. You're not here to play small. You're here to shake things up and help a big collective of souls. So own it. And if you want to learn which business model will actually support your mission best, then watch my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Let me know if this resonated and love you so much.